Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the conditional statement. So if we talk about what is the conditional statement, is basically these statements allow us to execute different codes based on the condition. For an example, there is a particular code that I want to execute only on a particular condition. In that kind of the scenario, we go with the conditional statement. Like if this condition is true, then run this code. Otherwise, run that code. So in that kind of the scenario, we go with the conditional statement. So let's understand it with an example with the Python. So currently, this is the example of the previous video. So what I will do, I'll just get rid of this code. And here, instead of I will take the age. And here I'm just expecting age. Now the thing is, here I want, whenever I take the age, I want that in the new line. So I have just put the /n. So when user will enter, this value will show in the another line. Now here what I want one condition. If the age is less than 18, then I will say I'm minor, otherwise I'm adult. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put if, and here age is less than 18. So this is the syntax. First we have to write if, then parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis, we write the condition. What condition you want? So here I have taken comparison operator called less than. Then we put the colon. So this is the thing. Now the next thing, when I will put enter, you see it is coming one tab after, means it's not starting from here. So that's what Python understand. If you are going to start from here, means whatever the code I'm going to write, that comes under the if. So either you can use one tab. So I press one tab and it is coming. So from here it will start. So what I'm going to write here, print, and just inside that I will write minor. So this is the condition. Otherwise, else. For an example, I don't want, if the age is greater than 18, I will say adult. So here currently it is coming under the if, means under the print only. So it will consider inside the if condition only. But what I want it's a different statement. Then I will write else, then again colon, and you can see when I press enter, it is coming now under the else, or one tab after this one. So it will consider whatever code I will write, means this print will be considered under the else only. So here I will say adult. So either you write it with the single quotes or double quote, doesn't matter. It will work in the same way. So when I will run the code, what it will ask? It will ask, please give age. So I'm going to give here, see, when I press click mouse, it is taking us to the new line only, because /n I have kept. So here I'm giving 16. So when I will press enter, it is saying minor, and the obvious, because it is less than, then it is coming like this. When I will, let me rerun it, give me like 20, it will tell us adult. Now what I want in between this, I'm saying if the age is equal to 18, then I will say I'm just turned adult. So in that case, what I will do in between, means that elif we have to put in between this. So el if, inside that again I want the condition. So here I will say age equal to 18, and let's colon, and then print, and I am turning 18. So in that case, let's run this, and let's give 18. I'm turning 18. So it is giving the output I expected. Now, so this is the way, first of all, the conditional statement works. Now the other thing is, for an example, here I don't want to give the bracket. So that's also fine. Means in the Python, either you want to give the brackets or not, it up to you. In both the cases, this application works. So for an example, I'm giving 16, it will say minor, and it is working as expected. And another thing, for an example, if you want to give the curly braces also. So let me give the curly braces, and let me run this code. And in that case, I will give 20. You will see adult. So it is also working as expected. So in any scenario, whatever you are going to write the code among all these things is going to work as expected. So this is the way conditional statement works in the Python. So that's it for this video. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.